He is so fine. Oh my god. Especially when you put on his glasses. It's like I have to question myself, like, that's my man. Like, he's my husband. Look at my kids. Look at my babies. Hello, 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 hello. Hi, face. Good morning, good morning, morning, good morning, good morning, good morning.
Why you always say good morning, good morning, good morning?
Good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new day because you're watching me. I'm up and got workout in. Getting ready to head out, but first your girl needs some energy to replace what she just burned.
Wagwan.
Okay, alright, they'll take it. They'll take it. What are you up to? Where are you heading?
To the stadium.
To the stadium to run.
I'm gonna be first.
You're gonna be first. Don't do
And
that.
I hope we're going to do a release.
Maybe we'll see about that. Anyway, you guys, so woke up this morning. Get down. You're gonna do well, right?
Yes.
You're gonna have fun most of all.
Yes, Mama.
Okay?
Mama.
Yes, guys.
Did you tell Shay that I really last Wednesday?
This song. I am here making some. Oh, look who we have. Come here. Your hair needs to brush. Come here. Come. Oh, look who is here. Who is that?
Sarah.
That is true. Say hello, Faith. What are you up to? You want dollies? Okay, go get dollies. She want dollies. I am making breakfast to head out because Tyler needs to go to training. So breakfast this morning is banana and oats mix. So the oats mix have seeds and raisins in there. So I add just a banana to it. Then I'm going to add almond milk to it. And I'm gonna blend it. So I can have it to go. Then I'm gonna make my green juice and have my green juice first. So have a good day. Stay love, stay blessed, stay motivated, stay encouraged. Be kind to one another. Stay safe because out in the street is still not as safe as we think it is. So enjoy the rest of today's vlog, and you guys will see baby because baby's still here. He's getting ready. He's working out of town today and he's passing the stadium, so he's gonna drop us at the stadium before he head to work. So live, love, laugh. Love you guys, and I'll see you guys throughout the rest of today's vlog. You guys gonna see Tyler training, so let's go do this.
But I want help you.
You wanna help me?
Yes.
Get your step. What you have on your bag already? Turn it off. Turn it off. Voila.
Wet high five. Wait a minute. Look at this. Can I use?
After, not before.
Please.
You can get juice.
Mama, juice. I love everything. Pink juice. What is pink juice?
Because Sarah is here to drink in her green juice. Is there? You love it? Lemon. Yay! Fini! Done it!
Finish!
Yes! Good job! Bravo! Say good morning, handsome.
Morning, guys.
You guys, I was just lusting off at Babe, telling him how handsome he is. Don't you guys agree? Look at him. Look how fat. Look at him blushing. He is so fine. Oh my god. Especially when you put on these glasses, it's like I have to question myself, like, that's my man. Like, he's my husband. And when he put on a hat, oh my god, I just waiting for the summer to come to get a little hot for him to put on a hat on his head. He's so sweet. I'm blocking you. Anyway, you guys, baby's heading to work and I'm heading to work. Yeah. Taking Tyler to the track to do some track. Champs is going on in Jamaica. For all my Jamaicans, what's good? Champs is going on.
You have your best card and I don't want to come back.
Don't worry, we could walk. Champs is going on. Though Calabar haven't been doing well for the past year or two, I'm still a Calabar girl for life. I know a lot of KC fans in here, you know. But Calabar straight all day, every day. And if I'm not Calabar, a JC. No purple to a thing. Never yet purple to a thing. C-bar all the way. Good luck to all the athletes competing. If you know somebody competing, give them our love and hype them up. And because you know, chance for us, if you guys are watching right now and you don't know what I'm talking about, in Jamaica, track and field is a big deal for us, and high school competition is a huge deal for us. We give our kids support like never before, and the competition, the vibe in the stadium is like nothing. I remember when Babe came to Jamaica 2000 and what year it was? It wasn't your first trip.
You're talking when you went there? You was...
And I went to Champs on a Friday for the 100-meter final, 2012. And man, Champs was... Babe just had to have the Champs experience, and I'm happy to experience that. Hopefully one day I can carry Tyler and Sarah. It's gonna be hard because it's during school time here. It's not during vacation time, so I don't know if that will ever happen until they grow up and become adults. But Champs vibe is a whole different vibe. So yeah. Anyway, you guys, we're in the streets. I'll catch you guys later. What is it?
She's singing A and B and C and D E and F and G and H.
Can you guys spot Tyler? There he is in the blue. He's about to run around the track one time. You see him? He's ready. Look at him. He's in the blue, gone. Look at my boy. Tyler run in the first lane. 2 laps on his second lap. Look at Tyler leading the pack. Look at him. Seems like the second person gonna catch him up. Come on, Ty. Haha, he's not gonna let them pass him. Look at him. You see, he feel them on his shoulders. Ah. He's gonna win. He's gonna win. You guys can't see him properly. Yay! Babutai! Jessica one living her best life. What you watching? What you watching, Zara? Cocomelon?
Sit. A finger.
What is Tai doing? Tai take time with your sister. Oh my gosh. Tell Tai finish. Tai, she said finish. Let me show you guys my kids right now. Look at them. They are so at peace, living their best life. Look at them. Hi, Sarah. Hi, Sarah. Hi, Tyler. Sarah. Hey guys, it's dinner time. I'm in the kitchen. On this beautiful Wednesday evening, what am I making for dinner? I'm honoring my son today. He has been asking me for fries since Monday. So I told him that I'd make it for him today. So fries for dinner, you know, potato, sweet potato fries for me. Sarah heard the word fries, so she come in. Look at her. Yes, Sarah?
Yes, Sarah.
What do you want?
French.
You want fries? It's not yet time. Go and sit with Tai. When it's ready, I'll tell you, okay? Stop jumping in the couch.
Oui, ça c'est quoi?
Rouge.
Oui, et ça c'est quoi, hein?
Losange.
Losange. Bravo, ça c'est quoi? Un arbre. Bravo. Ça c'est quoi? 55.
55.
Et ça c'est?
5.
Quelle couleur?
Marron.
Oui.
She's doing them in French.
Ça c'est quoi? Ça c'est quoi? Regarde-moi.
Chat.
Bravo. Ça c'est quoi?
Cochon.
Un cochon.
Cochon.
Ça c'est quoi?
C'est
Un rectangle.
rectangle.
Quelle couleur?
Vert.
Bravo. Ça c'est quoi?
Label.
Oui. Ça c'est combien? 21.
21.
Et ça c'est
10.
71.
51.
Ah, ça c'est quoi?
2.
Des œufs, bravo. Ça c'est quoi? Un râteau.
Râteau.
Ah, et ça c'est quoi?
Grenouille.
Grenouille, bravo. Ça c'est quoi? Wagon.
Wagon.
Ah, ça c'est quoi?
Vert.
Un cercle vert.
Cercle vert.
Ça c'est quoi? C'est quoi ça? Un rhinocéros.
Rhinocéros.
Oui. Et ça c'est quoi?
Yo.
Bravo! Allez, ça c'est combien? C'est pour finir. 83.
33.
Et que ça c'est?
33.
33. High five. Yeah.
Tell Fibs night night.
Bonne nuit.
Bonne nuit.
À demain. I love you. I come from London.
You come from London?
Yes.
How so?
And you? Where do you come from?
Come from Jamaica. No?
What is Jamaica? Jamaica Street in New York?
No, the real Jamaica in the Caribbean island.
There's such an island named Jamaica? I didn't know that. Where it is in the Caribbean island? In the north or in the south?
I have no idea, but it's there somewhere.
Look.
You guys, I am tired and he's making me more tired with his crap. I'm coming
What
on
you mean
to
crap?
end today's vlog. You gonna end the vlog or no?
What am I doing right now?
Talking crap. End the vlog.
Crap. Do you know how to spell crap?
Oh my god.
Do you know how
Somebody
to spell crap?
Save
I'm very interested by that.
No. Not at all. Clueless.
Clueless. Yeah, man.
Babe, end the vlog. No, I'm so in trouble.
Anyway, guys, that have been an okay day. I mean, was at work, had a headache, usually, but the headache gone. Not because, or not should I say thanks to her, but thanks to the tablet. The tablet works.
I am the tablet.
Oh, wink, double wink. What kind of tablet you are? You're the one that I put in my mouth?
Well,
and it melt?
yes.
Or just the one that I swallow?
That too.
Without even showing. Or the one that I have to show for 1 hour?
That too.
The friends when I was young.
Story time.
Yeah. I had a friend, he was in the first year of reunion. She come from a French island named La Réunion, that is Indian Ocean, and
but you may blush. You love that about these female friends,
and she had because I struggle with headache, she knew that, and one day she bring me like it was like a grandma recipe or some things, like I want you to take a tablet, and she said no, I have some things, and it is like a cream that you rub, and that you rub, for example, to where the spot is, like like I have migraine, so she put the cream, and it's just like if you release the pain, it works.
Okay, so what happened to that female friend now?
I don't know, never heard from her since 15 years. She was nice, she was very nice, but I never heard from her since.
So what kind of friendship is that, honey? You can't keep your friends.
University friendship.
Listen, babe not keep friends, you know?
No friends.
You're lucky if babe return your call. If babe return it, hey, when people message babe for her birthday now, 1 week later I reply thank you. Jesus, this man. He not like reply to text. Well, I wouldn't say don't like reply, but him take him own jolly like a time I reply. 1 week later I'm sending, oh thank you.
Yeah, because you have some people that say you, for example, you're on social media and they say happy birthday and all of this. They just like the comment. Me personally, I have to reply to every single message.
Me reply to every single one.
Every single one. I don't.
You finished?
Yeah, you look tired.
I am very tired. I'm waiting for you to stop talking so I can go to my bed. Anyway, you guys, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the family, catch up and keep up. And we'll see you guys
tomorrow.
So I roughed them up so.
Tomorrow.
Oh my god, calm down. Tomorrow. Pause.
TOMO.
Take the camera. Stop the recording. Come carry me to bed. Oh my god.
Put your hand into the doo-doo.